Tomorrow on Today, it's a gigantic week of show business. We're taking you to the movies with the stars of the final Jurassic World. Sam Neill, Jeff Goldblum, Laura Dern and Chris Pratt are all joining today.
G'day! And we're giving away an incredible prehistoric adventure,
Yes.
so watch and win only on Today.
Hello again, and Melbourne got off to a beautiful start to the day. The city peaked at 17 degrees around lunchtime, but had dropped back to 14 just an hour later as grey skies took over. Inland parts of the state woke to a foggy morning. A band of cloud delivered a few showers in a patch around the Wimmera and north central area. 6 millimetres was the highest total, and maximums ranged from 8 degrees at Mansfield up to 18 at Mildura. A vigorous low pressure system is currently moving across South Australia. Over 8,000 strikes were detected in the Ceduna area this afternoon, with more than 3,000 of those reaching the ground. For us, we're set to get a nasty entree to winter when that system arrives. Northwestern parts of the state will feel the effects first. Gusty winds, showers and storms are expected there from late this evening. And then continuing to move eastwards tomorrow, it'll be a fairly wet start to the working week. The really cold air will move over Victoria on Tuesday, dropping the snow level to 600 or 700 metres that night, and that will include places like the Grampians, Mount Macedon and the Dandenongs. But unfortunately, it's also set to be very windy for those parts. We could see blizzards developing through the Alps, and southern and mountain areas will be in the firing line for Tuesday's round of storms. A severe weather warning for damaging winds has been issued for these areas in orange. Peak gusts above 90 kilometres an hour are expected to develop later tonight in the Mallee. Then the warning area will extend east during tomorrow, impacting northern parts of the Northern Country and northeast districts. Thunderstorms will be most likely about the west and north tomorrow, and that's where we should see the biggest rainfall totals. Up to 25 millimetres at both Swan Hill and Wodonga. 20 is forecast for a number of places, and generally 5 to 10 millimetres through the south. Temperatures will drop to single figures overnight, -1 on the way for the Latrobe Valley, and 2 degrees at Sale won't be much better, and daytime temperatures are looking very bleak, just 9 degrees, the maximum for both Bendigo and Ballarat. Elsewhere, most places should peak between 11 and 14, and Orbost might get an influx of visitors. It'll peak above the rest, a top of 15. Here in Melbourne, we can expect minimums of 6 and 7 and then climbing to 11, 12 or 13. It'll be a showery day for Melbourne, up to 10 millimetres and a top of just 12 degrees in the city. And then Tuesday is looking like being our coldest day of the year so far, just 11 degrees, up to 6 millimetres in showers with possible hail and strong winds. Wednesday we'll see showers again, a windy 12 degrees. Things dry out a little on Thursday, a top of 13, back down to 11 on Friday. And then the weekend will feel warm by comparison, 15 on Saturday and 14 on Sunday. So tomorrow, that taste of winter arrives early, between 6 to 10 millimetres in showers, and after an overnight low of 8 degrees, the city should reach 12. So it's time to get out the winter wardrobe, isn't it, Alicia?
It certainly is, Maddie. Thank you very much for that. And that is 9 News this Sunday. I hope you have a great evening. For now, good night.
Yes.